Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's video. So this video is about playing Skipo and how we play, and let's just say Mom got so mad at the end, and I'm not gonna give anything away, but I also feed the dogs in today's video as well, kind of like a vlog type thing. But it is June 19th, Monday, first day of the week. Oh my goodness. So it is around almost 7 o'clock and I'm wide awake. I got really good sleep last night, even though I woke up at 5:30, but I'm like, oh my gosh, this is great. I feel well rested and everything. So I'm going to edit today's thumbnail. I'm going to edit today's video, and yeah. So I hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you can get more videos. We just finished a game of Skipo, and guess who won? I did!
And she's gonna write it in the trusty little journal, in which I'm sure I won more times than she did.
I don't know about that. There was a winning streak where I won 10 games in a row.
Ugh, you're lucky I even kept playing.
But you can find this journal on Redbubble. This is not a sponsored video, even though it could be sponsored by me, I guess. But you can find this on Redbubble on H-artful Studios, and this is the line of paper that we write down on fours.
Flip to the page where I won, please.
And Mom is apparently upset that she lost twice today.
No, I won. Right here, right here. I won that one. See? See? There we go.
So, I will write down.
Oh boy, I can't take any more losing.
So Father's Day.
This is painful.
It was a very intense game today.
It really was. It was very close. How many did I have left? So you had 0.
14?
No! I'm pretty sure it was 8. That's what we're going to say.
Mom had 8 cards left.
Mm-hmm. How many were dealt?
20 were dealt.
Mm-hmm.
And we were playing Skipo, by the way.
The game we can't seem to get enough of.
Yeah, we were.
We like filled up that entire book with Skipo.
I know. And Hannah won again.
I'm pretty sure that means she has to do the dishes.
Does the dishwasher need to be unloaded?
No, it needs to be loaded.
Oh, well,
That's what? Too bad! Is that what you're going to say?
no, that's not.
No. No, I don't agree. I was just teasing.
Sunday.
Just teasing. If you write down that I won, I'll do the dishes.
Okay.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Won.
Not. You're going to put a knot after, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
See, there's the entry marked and dated. And I just won.
Ridiculous.
And I'm not a sore winner.
No, you're not a sore winner. You mean you're not a smug winner?
Yeah.
Well, I'm a sore loser. I'm going to like toss your phone in the backyard.
No, you're not. Okay, I think we're done filming.
I'm not done filming. I haven't called you enough names yet.
Mom!
What? Just kidding. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Can't take a joke. I gotta buy luggage. Here. Still filming. Your turn.
So we are playing Skipo, and it's my turn, and so far I'm winning.
Yeah, you know what? That's just not right.
So let's just
It's
see.
wrong. It's very wrong. You shouldn't be beating your mother like this.
So I have, these are my cards.
Oh!
So I have 3,
Oh my.
4, wait, crap. Okay,
Alright, you gotta take your 3 or 4 back.
yeah,
Because you might change your mind.
okay, so,
And draw 3. I'll do it too. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Can you get it?
yep, one hand, oh, okay. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. As long as I don't be in it. It's bad enough I'm getting beaten to death.
9. Ooh.
I'm pretty glad this is filming. I have to mind my verbal manners. Not nice.
Let's see here. I'm done.
In more ways than one. Don't film me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is our after dinner nightly game.
There's the board.
I'm gonna come back and crush her. She's going down to town like Cindy Brown, Julie Brown, sorry. Downtown Julie Brown.
This
hey,
is
look,
my.
set me up. Nice, we're there.
Darn it! That's what you get for filming.
You got distracted.
Darn!
Wow.
Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to this video. So I want to say thank you for watching today's video. If you want to see more, just go to my channel. I've been revamping everything, so I wanted to mention that. And this is just an outro video, so I'm editing the video right now. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. The notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And I hope you guys like today's video. Go check out my books, Spooky Sirens and the coloring book, Spiritual Messages Journal, and then Circus Cuties coloring book as well on Amazon. And you can find the game journal on Redbubble. And yeah, so order your own game journal if you want to, and we can do that. And I hope you guys, all in all, it's just a friendly game of Skipo, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely go get the game. We play it almost every night, and it's been our nightly routine and everything for that. So definitely go get Skipo, and it's really fun game. It's very addictive, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or anything like vlogging or anything I mentioned in today's video, let me know, and I can definitely do a whole video or something. I listen to my subscribers, so I wanted to mention that. So I try to comment back on all the comments, and yeah.